Hey guys, Abby here. Just wanted to do a weekly video. I will probably start getting more content up more often, but I am definitely sticking to at least one training video per week. Um, I am actually moving kind of towards, helping people launch online businesses because that's, where my experience is. And last week I talked about, bulk emailing, the difference between bulk email and then building a traditional list, and kind of the things you need um, to go from having bulk email lists. Because most people know me from like Clickly content, and I started talking about MLGS. They're just different bulk mailers. But I was pointing out last week that what you need is you actually need some sort of opt-in page to start sending to your bulk emailers like Clickly Pro and MLGS, so that people get off of those lists and onto an actual opt-in form that is for you. And I showed you a couple examples of what an opt-in page was. So I actually just here's another example. I'm just going to show you this where it's just a template right now, but this would be an example of a page that you could create that you could send out into your Clickly Pro sends or your MLGS sends, you know, give away some sort of free item and then get people to opt into this list, which would then be your own email list and your own traffic and what you control. The problem with using a system like Clickly is you can't edit the subject lines and you can't edit the creatives to actually send a message that makes sense for whatever it is you're giving away. You would have to pay money in order to do that, which, you know, in my experience has not been a great a great one. At least with like My Lead Gen Secret, which I'll go over here and log into my account right here. And I'll just show you, like, if you go to create a message, you can actually select, all your users or whatever, but this allows you to create whatever subject line you want. And it allows you to create one email to send out to all of your people so that you can actually give them a message. And then what you would do is you would take whatever your landing page is, you would obviously, this is just a template, you would customize this to be whatever it is your free giveaway is going to be. You would send it out with your link to your opt-in page to these people and try and get them off of this, all these leads on this MLGS list, and you would try and get them into your own funnel so that then you have a true list that you can market to. And so that's kind of, what we talked about last week. And so like this week, I'm actually like, I do have a group, which I was on actually that page. I actually have a group over here, and there's not a ton of us over here, but it allows me to help people that actually want to build and launch an online business. So basically this group started out of, I guess it started because Quickly had a contest, and it cost a lot of money to participate in their contest. And I wanted to try and create a free way that people could participate in something, but then be rewarded and be able to get help with launching a business. So I started the whole System IO program where if you got a free account and got certified, you could come over into this group. So what I've kind of done is we've kind of moved into, like, every week I'm doing free trainings for people. So I'm going to put a link below in the description right here. If you get a free System IO account and you want to build funnels and you want to learn how to use System IO and actually build an email list and launch an online business, then I would invite you to register a free account and then come over into this Market Pacer Accelerator group and request access, and start getting on the Wednesday free workshop trainings that we do. And I do record those, and then I give the replay to the people in the group. I just actually posted one. Let's see, right here's the replay from this past week, and people were able to watch that. They are on my YouTube channel, but I keep them unlisted. And then what we're doing right now is we're actually learning how to build a personal brand and build out blogs with creating funnels in System IO. So if you actually want one of my free funnels, if you register a free account or whatever, you can either message me or get into this group. I actually have the funnels I'm using right now. I can share those and you can customize them. And I'll show you how to do all of that within the group. But this would allow you to start building your own email list, which is obviously the goal. So I want to come over here and just show you. So what I do is I have funnels and I run a social media marketing company. So I have some funnels that are already out there. Some are on ClickFunnels. I'm transitioning those over into System.io because it is a free way that you can kind of learn how to build things. And then once your business grows, then you can upgrade through their plans. And I think their plans are only priced. I mean, they're pretty cheap. I think their biggest plan is only $99, whereas ClickFunnels, their starter plan is $99. So that's why I kind of transitioned to, I'm trying to help beginners who are at maybe don't have a huge budget right now to build a business, but right now I'm teaching for like under $30 to build a blog, and then you can get a free account to put a funnel on to start getting leads. And I started my list. I just got an account over here at Active Campaign, which you don't need this. This is an autoresponder. I'm testing this new autoresponder, and just in the last couple of weeks, like I started this, actually, you can see I started this in January. And I started it, I tried to get familiar with it. I started adding leads to it through my funnels. And I already have 268 customers, meaning these are people who've actually bought something from me. And then I have another list that I'm generating over here of just leads. So obviously the whole goal with the leads is to turn them into customers and get them to be customers to actually purchase from me. So this is just a test account. Like I've been testing this with my social media account and building this email list up. But right now I have close to 300 people that I could go email something to, which I do every Friday. So they'll be getting an email today, and there'll be value in that email. But then there will probably either be some sort of affiliate software or tool that I will refer them to, and then there will be a product deal or a service where I can actually sell them something. And that is how you kind of build rapport and build an email list to where you can make money off of that. And everything I do starts with a funnel, a free funnel that looks something similar to this. And right now I'm teaching people to do this with System.io because it's the cheapest way to do it. So, like I said, if you want to get on in a group where I'm doing free training, I'm not charging anything to be in the group. I simply want people to have a System.io account because a lot of what I'm teaching, like funnel wise, is going to be from System.io. And then the last 2 weeks, we've done a lot with building a blog, and I actually have a step-by-step how to build a blog, how to do it very inexpensively, and how to get that up and running so that you have just a minimum viable website in order to start building your list and becoming an authority or a brand, whatever you choose to build, so that you can actually start making money online. And then, of course, I have this group over here where, there's like-minded people in this group who just want to build online businesses. So what I have done is I actually have, this is one of the funnels that I actually give the group. I'm actually editing and tweaking this a little bit, but what I am actually showing people is when you build out your blog, I'll even show it to you because it isn't even done yet, but this is actually the walkthrough. I actually have the step-by-step walkthrough of how I set this blog up. Now, granted, this isn't real content. It's just content that was pulled in as a placeholder until I get my content up. But I walk people through how to start a website and get this completely set up for like under $30. So this week, obviously I'm going to be creating more content that will be step-by-step on how to edit this and make it, obviously apply to who I am and what I offer and things like that. But this week I have that. We did that on this past week's training. So these are what you basically will have access to if you come over into the free training group, you do need to have, a System.io account to get over here, but you can ask me questions. I get back to you. I try and help people where they're at. And then on Wednesday, we have workshops where you can directly ask me questions as well. And then this week's training, you would actually have access to it on YouTube. Once you're in this group, you can get the link. And then you can watch this training and get caught up. So we're just kind of going through this whole process. And then in the coming weeks, these are going to be videos that I'm turning in for content on YouTube that you can also follow along. Even if you don't want to come over into a private group or anything like that, that's fine as well. But we're going to kind of go through starting a business, and I am doing this like from scratch. I, on video over the shoulder, am showing you how I'm building up abbyhunjo.com. And people are going to walk through the same process and model it for their own brand. And then I do have another brand, a faceless brand, that I'm also building up, but that I'm reserving for the group. This is more going to be for the YouTube content, whereas like I will have over the shoulder like A to Z how to launch and get a business up, and then we'll go into traffic and marketing and how to actually get leads to your funnel pages so that you can start building that email list. So those are some of the things that are coming. But like I said, if you want to join System.io, there'll be a link in the description. It is completely free to register an account. I would suggest getting certified because then that will get you familiar with all of the different things that this platform has. I am actually creating also, under products, there's something called courses. That is actually where I am going to have some free courses where people can register to them, and it will just walk you through step-by-step processes of different things you can do online, to build your business. So those are the things that are coming. We're going to be doing some training and things like that. So if you want to get a free account, join the Facebook group. All the links will be in the description below. And then each week I'll have a new training, of course. On Wednesdays, we do Wednesday's workshop. And like I said, it's completely free and you can ask me questions. I can help you with wherever you're at in your business. And then you can go from there. But anyway, hopefully that kind of gets you maybe excited to realizing that, you can actually get a business up and running, and maybe you just need a little help or encouragement, and hopefully I can help you out with that. Anyway, we will see you guys on the next video. Subscribe, like the video, ask me questions. If you need any help with System.io, that is what I've reserved the group and weekly Wednesday workshops for. But anyway, we'll see you guys on the next video, and we'll talk to you soon.